Very great. Will you just blabber like that? What's up, world?
What's up, world?
Yep,
What
that's
is
my
all
intro
good?
line. That's
All
my intro
all
line.
good. What all good?
God, I don't know. Welcome back to another view, and I don't know why we're vlogging. This is my first vlogging attempt. That's Lee,
Hi. The what?
Lee or Yen.
Yeah.
Okay. So I need to give you a full introduction or what? Okay, fine. And
No,
they already know
I already
who
told
I
you
am.
your full name. Tell your full name. Rohit Banerjee.
They already know who I am.
Yeah.
This
So,
is
but
but
still they don't know.
I don't know. Okay, fine. But I don't know what the topic of this vlog will be. But
Unknown.
I don't know. This is my first vlog actually. So let's begin with like what is vlogging stuff. Video blogging. We blog. Video blogging. And this is very awkward. I know. People are looking at me like I am some kind of weirdo. Yeah, walking in Indian streets. Yeah, and I almost got killed. Yeah, that could be the topic of this vlog, na?
Yeah.
Walking in Indian streets, it's a challenge.
What
It
is
is, yeah. Well, walking in Indian streets is a challenge by itself because it's not just walking. You have to have so many hurdles by yourself, like people staring at you and cars jumping at you, almost about to hit you, like that one. Almost hit me. What are the challenges of walking in Indian streets, Lee? Give some examples. Too much traffic and
It doesn't obey the rules of it.
in India, who follows the rules? We make our own rules in India.
And you
It's
guys
like,
break it.
yeah, so we should walk on the footpath, I guess. Yeah.
Now you're saying.
Yeah, now I am sensible. You're walking on the footpath. Wow, nice, right? Now I understood. Anyways, yep. So, yeah, thing. Before coming, I was thinking of some ideas to what to vlog on. Okay, so I actually came up with some ideas, but I actually like there was no concrete ideas. I thought of something. So you guys tell me in the comment section below on what you want to talk to me about. I can speak on current trends. I can give my opinion on it and see the condition of Indian roads. This is insane. Anyways, it's a challenge. You can't walk on Indian roads as usual. You have to maneuver yourself through it. And you guys can tell me on what to speak. I thought of first like speaking of on current trends and giving my perspective and my view to it. Another view. But then I thought like it is okay, but let's try something different also. Like give you daily updates and stuff. I don't know what actually will I vlog on.
About
So
gadgets,
yeah,
electronics,
gadgets, electronics, anything. So
news,
yeah,
current affairs,
yeah.
anything. You can ask anything to him.
Yeah.
And
So
he will give you the answer.
yeah, so either you guys tell me that either I can do it on current trends, or you guys can ask me questions about on current trends and things, news on which I will speak on. So just say them anything you want me to speak on. Just mention them in the comment section, and I will speak on them. And also I thought of trying out a game, new game, since Lee is here with me. So yes, known as Google autocomplete, because since this is the first vlog and we don't have any questions with us, so I thought that I'll ask Lee to go to Google and search for some questions on which I will get some answers. So Lee, can you get your phone out? And Lee is getting her phone out.
Stop it.
Okay, so we are ready.
Yeah.
Okay, Lee. Okay, so this is just one second. Let me explain it to them first.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, right. So how the game works is in Google, Lee goes and types any keywords, and the autocomplete suggests the most searched questions in Google for the time being, and she will ask me those questions, and I will try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. And what are you doing with my bag? Anyways, so begin, Lee. First question.
The first question: how to check balance in Geo?
Okay, first you typed how to, and the question that came is how to check balance in Geo. I have no idea, but I am guessing that because I don't have Geo, but I'm guessing that it's the same as other mobile SIMs just type *123# and they will show you your balance. I am guessing that is the way. I don't have Jio, so I don't know about it. But please do enlighten me, guys, how to. If any of you have Jio with you, please do let us know like, how to check balance in Jio. Yep. Next question, Lee.
What is Geo ID?
What is
Geo ID.
Jio ID? Why is every question about Jio?
I don't know.
Why is every question about Jio?
Where is that?
Okay, so apparently young India, India is searching all about Jio right now. Yeah, which is true actually. Jio is, well, for those, Jio is currently setting a trend for the market, so that's why everyone is searching about Jio. So yeah, that's how popular Jio is. And how to search Jio ID? I have no idea about that too. Because I don't have Jio, that's the problem. So any questions related to Jio? What's the third question? Anyways.
Third question is, the next question is Geo offer extended?
Okay, so the third question we tried for was with is. She typed in is in Google search and it showed is Jio offer extended. So 3 questions we tried today, 3 of them of Jio, and I have no idea about Jio, so I can't answer any of them. Something like
Okay,
that.
will it rain today?
Will it rain today? I have no idea. You should ask the skies. But I hope that it rains today because it is super hot over here. But I hope so much that it rains because I love rain. Do you love rain, Lee? Do you love rain?
Somehow.
Maybe sometimes. Okay, so I guess the first attempt at Google autocomplete questions wasn't that good. But still we tried, guys. And if you have any questions that you would love me to answer in my next vlogging, please comment them and I will just comment on the comment section below and I will try to my best capabilities answer them in the next vlog whenever it comes. And and also, by the way, if you want me to talk on some current trends and topics, do let me know in the comment section below so I can talk on them. It'll be fun. I hope so. Troubles of vlogging in India. First experience today. People are staring at me like crazy. They are. What is going on? What is holding? By the way, I am holding the camera in a selfie stick. So yeah. They're looking at me like I am gone bonkers, nuts. So yeah.
Yes.
Second trouble. Cars come around like traffic laws in India are really a thing of beauty. So cars come around at you left and right. So you have to look at the camera and you have to look around yourself. Yes. Like, see, look at this. They are coming at me like, I don't know, I am walking on the opposite side of the road too, but still, anyways. I have to stay alert a lot. You have to stay alert. Third problem of vlogging in India, the roads. You have to look down, you have to look up, you have to look at the camera. So I think it would be helpful if there were like 5 or 6 eyes I had so that I can, look around everywhere. Wow, yeah. And yes, another experience. Crow.
Be careful.
In
you
Calcutta.
Should look up also.
Yeah, we should look up. So we should, probably have a 360-degree camera to vlog in India. So that we could look around everywhere and know. Anyways, so that was my first attempt to vlog, and do let me know on the topics that I can vlog on in my next vlog, and I will definitely read on them on the comment section and I will try to make them happen. So yeah, that's about it, guys, for today from me, Lohit, and my co-partner in crime, Lee or Yen. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching very much, and if you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and always remember, it's all about the perspective.
Bye.
Bye.